Strong fire.
Oh my god, wait, no, literally.
Just.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two.
Hello. Today I'm making a matcha latte to start the morning. We are actually doing a cabin trip in upstate New York. Still got like about 30 minutes before we have to head out. But my friends are picking us up here and then we're gonna drive upstate. We're gonna be headed to Catskill, New York. In terms of geography, I don't know where it is, but it's up there somewhere. And we're gonna go for a weekend. So we're gonna be heading out today, Thursday, and then leaving on Sunday.
Late night walks with you to take me home.
Okay,
With you.
last step of this matcha latte is this. I made cream cheese foam to put on top of my matcha latte, and it's so good. Look at this.
These little songs make me glad.
I'm so excited. Okay, it's like a slight drizzle, but not too bad. I see our friends. Passenger princess. Ching.
Which one is this?
Paper plates, do we need them?
Oh, whoa.
Yes, we love samples.
Sample. Wait, what is this fruit called?
This is the melon.
Whoa, this is big. Yeah, they're serious about this big green onion.
It's huge! Good boy. It's like kiwi and shoe time.
Oh my god. I'll hold on to it for now. Yeah. Oh, BTS. Oh, 17.
Oh my god.
Wait, you buy that for your concert.
Just started here.
Yeah.
Wait, let me ask Tao. Oh my god.
Because she wanted one.
Yeah, I just on your video.
We're getting a Tao's light stick. I know you're watching this. We got you your light stick! Yay! So it's like, yeah, one key ring and one is shoe charm, and then... This is crazy. Weekend worth of grocery for 7 people. Alright, kitchen. Dining table. Christina's chilling in the pantry. And then living room. Gina up there. It's open. Yeah.
Just take it out? I guess so.
Yeah, yeah. There we go. Oh. Oh, there we go. Okay, that was so easy. Wow, it's huge. We'll eat out here when it's dry. Master bedroom. We have a couple more room down this way and a restroom. Our bedroom's up here. Ta-da. Jason's worse.
Chatting in a coffee
Oh,
shop,
I see, yeah.
sitting by the windowsill,
Oh.
walking down 8th Avenue.
Sauce bar.
Our fingers touching
yeah. You do the
all
little.
that light. Call me when
Wow,
you
we are
get
prepared
back
for
home.
Oh, there's Jason.
Meet me up Manhattan.
Yeah, he's throwing one thing back and forth.
All the circle.
I feel like your graphic model.
Meet me when the stars align.
There's Kimmy's. Can you introduce your dessert?
My kumquat dessert. Oh, I thought it's called
Cotton candy clouds reflected in your eyes. Merry-go-rounds in my heart, illuminated by flashing signs. You take my hand and you pull me inside. When did everyone else disappear?
That's gonna even it out.
What do you say? Dream job? Dream career? Dream career?
First, yes.
Dream friends? Dream team? Oh! Make money. Oh, yeah. Being on your hand. Being part of your hand. Oh. Finger. Fingernail. Finger. We don't want to talk about
Transfer the dogs to this pan so that it'll cook faster. And then starting the buns here so that I have two things going on. Onto the veggies.
This is reporter TT reporting to you live from the scene in Cornwallsville. There is a tornado watch going on and the power is out. We don't know when it will come back, but they're actively working on it. We'll see. Stay tuned for more updates.
Stopping by this gas station to get ice cream. I'm trying the salted caramel cheesecake.
That's what the mint choco haters say.
your hair.
This is the start of a horror movie. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. What's that over there?
Oh my god, look, man cave.
Man cave! And that's when we're in the ASMR. Cheers! Day 2, 3 of our trip to upstate New York, and we finally got a sunny day. Look at the view. Blue skies. Yeah, yesterday was crazy. The weather was like really bad. We lost our power, and then our Airbnb host messaged us and was like, It's not coming back until midnight. And at that time it was around 4 p.m. So we still had another 8 hours to go. But luckily we got the power back pretty quickly. Well, I would say like after 3 hours. Before midnight, thankfully. And because we didn't have any power last night, we decided to do beading, like making charms, bone charms and keychain. And this is mine. I made another keychain, but I like this one way better. It's a phone charm. I love the colors. And it says BTS. My sister's making French toast. And we couldn't see it.
Like you just can't find it?
Yeah.
Somewhere here?
And it's a green with a blue rim. Oh, you do?
Yeah, I do. It's so deep. Is
Oh yeah, I see it.
Oh my god, wait, no, literally. I can't, like, the bush is so thick, it's not like I can fall in. Oh my goodness.
You got it?
No.
Oh, she's going in further.
Okay, but it's open here. It's very open here.
Oh, okay. Just be careful. We can't see Angie anymore. Oh my god! Wow, she did it! This was a collaborative. Instead of the hike, we decided to stay home, make some more bead stuff, and chill. But it is really nice outside though. Oh, let's go do a swing. Yo, what if it like topples over the moment the two of us get on? Wait.
Only one. Watch out.
Walking outside now, we're gonna try to light the fireplace. See if it works.
Can we get the smaller ones? Okay. Yeah, some small ones. Do the rest like so everyone hold.
Perfect. Okay, and then put someone with the.
Oh!
Wait.
Success, guys!
Actually, if I put my
Woohoo!
phone, like, yeah. Like,
Yeah, it's really good.
This is real showing up on camera.
Fire!
I don't know how strong you want to go, but you can turn that shit up.
Oh, shit!
Wait.
Whoa!
Yours a little burnt. Yeah, get it.